If you're looking to get into crypto in 2026, Trojan is what I'd recommend. You could sign up below using my link and save 10% on fees. We're also be giving one Solana away every month to people who have signed up using my link. Alright, so let's get into it. So here is your quick buy amount. This is 0.05, which is about $4. Change this to whatever you want. This is quick buy. Click this, buys $4 of this coin. This is your filters. So at the minute we got on pump, so only seeing pump farm tokens. Change it to whatever you want. This is more advanced stuff. Make a video of this in the future. Same thing, same thing. This is your fees. We've got on turbo, which is obviously the quickest. Still cheap on fees. Fast, it's even cheaper, and it's fast. So perps, this leverage. So if I wanted to short or long Bitcoin, then I could do that. If I think Bitcoin was going to 100k, I'd open a long. 3x, 10x, 40x, whatever. Open that. And then you can short or long any of these either. Plenty of them on there.